Hi and welcome. I'm Roxy, and in the next few minutes, we're going to take a look at how to run different tasks at the same time by adding a parallel gateway in Kavimo. So let's take a look at the food process from our previous videos. Our process started when we noticed that we were hungry and ended with our hunger being satisfied. On our way to satisfying our hunger, we were able to choose one out of 3 recipes: pasta, steak, or salad. Let's assume we're very hungry though. Maybe it makes sense to always prepare a salad in addition to a main course. Well, being the great cook we are, we can actually prepare the salad while cooking the main dish. This is where parallel gateway comes into play, because we want to prepare 2 things at the same time. To add a parallel gateway, we need to first create some space using the tool with the 2 arrows. We're going to add space before the XOR gateway. To add a parallel gateway, we simply select the XOR gateway from the toolbox and switch it into a parallel gateway. Once we have our gateway, we can move the sequence flow from the parallel gateway to the salad preparing task. This allows us to always prepare a salad in parallel to cooking a main dish, in this case, steak or pasta. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to add parallel tasks to your process using the parallel gateway in Kavimo. Now let's have a look at the token flow for this process. As usual, our token is born in the start event, hunger noticed, and moves to the choose recipe task. Here we will choose a recipe. Today, let's go with pasta. What do you think will happen when our token gets to the parallel gateway? Take a moment, pause the video, and think about it. At our gateway, a token emerges for each path leaving it. So, now we have 2 tokens that are following the process path at the same time, in parallel. One token moves to the XOR gateway and then follows through the pasta path, because we chose pasta in the beginning task, and the other token flows to our prepare salad task. Let's assume the salad gets done before we finish the main dish. Then the salad token moves through the XOR merge and eat meal executes. Once we're done cooking the pasta token also executes eat meal and completes. Now we executed the eat meal task twice. That's not the behavior we wanted. What can we do to prevent eat meal from executing twice? Luckily, the BPMN actually has a solution for this. The solution is called merging parallel gateway. In order to add it, we first need to create some space again. Once we have enough space, we can add the gateway, switch it into a parallel gateway, and off we go. Now, the eat meal task will only be executed once both meals, pasta and salad, are fully prepared. You'll see exactly how this happens during the token flow animation. Great. Now let's go ahead and look at the token flow animation from start to finish. Our token is born when our hunger is noticed and moves to the choose recipe task. Here we choose a recipe, one out of 2 main dishes. Today, let's go with pasta. At our gateway, a token emerges for each path leaving it. So now we have 2 tokens that are following the process path at the same time, in parallel. One token moves to the XOR gateway and then follows through the pasta path, because we chose pasta in the beginning task, and the other token flows to our prepare salad task. Let's assume the salad gets done before we finish preparing a main dish. Then the token moves to the merging parallel gateway and waits for the other token before moving along to the eat meal task. The merging parallel gateway knows how many tokens to wait for by considering the number of sequence flows going into it. After we finished cooking pasta, the pasta token moves through the XOR gateway to the merging parallel gateway. And both tokens merge into one token and can move on. Our token then follows the process path as usual to the eat meal task. And here you can see that now our eat meal task only gets executed once. Then our token moves to the end event and gets consumed. Now it's time for you to get modeling. In our videos, we're using Cavemo, and you can find it by clicking on the link in the description section below. But for these simple exercises, it won't make a big difference, so if you already have a process model of your choice, feel free to use that one too. Remember to post your questions in the comments section and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. My name is Roxy. Thanks for joining me.